Who created post of Barua and Bafukar? Pratap Singh, Rudra Singh, Sohamu, Zaira Singh. Better A. Pratap Singh. The Ahoms originally belonged to which ethnic group? Thai, Bodo, Osari, Misi. Better A. Thai. Which Ahom ruler constructed the Jalsaghar Tank? Rudra Singh, Shiva Singh, Pramatra Singh, Sohamu. Better B. Shiva Singh. Which Ahom queen was known for her political power and temple building works? Fuleshwari, Ambika Devi, Kuvinganani, Kanaklata Devi. Dr. A. Fuleshwari. Who was the last powerful ruler of the Ahoms before their decline? Kamleshwar Singh, Rajeshwar Singh, Shiva Singh, Kamatra Singh. Dr. B. Rajeshwar Singh. Which year marked the end of the Ahom rule in Assam? 1826, 1824, 1828, 1830. Dr. A. 1826. Which treaty ended the Ahom dynasty's rule? Treaty of Yandabo, Treaty of Ghazarighat, Treaty of Soyaghat, Treaty of Rampur. Dr. A. Treaty of Yandabo. The Babis invasion that led to Ahom downfall is known as Mohammedan Rebellion, First Barish War, Thai invasion, Mughal Ahom War. The Dr. B. First Barish War. The Mohammedan Rebellion took place during the reign of Lakshmi Singh, Rudra Singh, Raisa Singh, Kamleshwar Singh. Dr. A. Lakshmi Singh. Which Ahom king was known for patronizing arts and literature? Rudra Singh, Sohamu, Pratap Singh, Shiva Singh. Dr. A. Rudra Singh. The Ahoms introduced which cultivation system widely in Assam? Wet rice, tea, mustard, jute. Dr. A. Wet rice. Which Ahom ruler was known as the Dhinya Raja? Suklemnu, Rudra Singh, Sohamu, Pratap Singh. Dr. A. Suklemnu. Which Ahom ruler died in the hands of the Kasaris? Sutifar, Suklemnu, Sohamu, Rudra Singh. Dr. A. Sutifar. Which Ahom general constructed the Saraighat fortifications? Lasit Barfukar, Patan Barbuhai, Muat Amali Barbua, Bar Hazarika. Dr. A. Lasit Barfukar.